Welcome, everyone. Today's mouth-watering easiest high-protein peri peri chicken and spicy rice, only 452 calories. And spicy dish that will tantalize your taste. That's the peri peri chicken meal with golden rice. So, let's dive right into the action and enjoy this scrumptious meal together. This spicy Nigerian dish is made from marinated, notably peri peri. The heat from the pepper not only adds a wonderful depth of flavor, but also packs a punch for those who enjoy a little kick. It's perfect for parties, family dinners, or even just a tasty snack. Now let's move on to the golden rice. This delightful side dish is not only a great accompaniment to the spicy chicken, but also offers a satisfying and healthy alternative to your traditional white rice. The golden color and texture of the rice is delightful. This vibrant combination of flavors and textures perfectly complements the spicy and rich peri peri chicken and golden rice. So, sit back, relax, and let your taste buds be transported to Nigeria with this heavenly high-protein peri peri chicken meal with golden rice. Enjoy every bite and savor the flavors of this incredible dish that will leave you craving more. Happy eating!